My name is Brett Sims and I'm the principal at Horizon Junior High. Today we had our fundraising assembly. We were fundraising for Hill Air Force Base Airman's Attic. That is their food pantry up on Hill Air Force Base that helps our military. Throughout the month of December we raised money for different events, and at the end we were able to bring out the donations for the Airman's Attic.
The assembly was super fun. There were lots of activities that we did because the students raised so much money. We shaved some of the officers' heads, we shaved a teacher's head.
We showed off how much money we raised, which is around $5,000. We had Mr. Sims get slimed. We had teachers dye their hair. Mrs. Mock got her hair dyed purple.
We had a silly string war between students and teachers, our LIA. Mr. Wojciechowski and Mrs. Christensen, my assistant principals, they had a race in a duck costume. We were able to highlight our cheerleaders, our jazz band, just make our students a big part of this assembly as the reward. We also had Mayor from West Point City and Mayor from Clearfield City to support us in our efforts.
I hope the students realize that no matter who you are, you can contribute and you can make a difference in somebody's life. Even the smallest donation helps out, whether something you might not see as a big deal is a really big deal to airmen and their families. So we really appreciate it.